Good morning from Fukuoka, Japan!
And today is my
Happy birthday!
So, what's up for today?
Ayun, excited! And then we had our breakfast. Sobrang sarap ng breakfast ng hotel. So, highly recommended talaga tong hotel namin. Quintessa, 10 out of 10. And today, we're going to Fukuoka Tower.
And then Team Lab Forest.
Team Lab Forest.
Yes, that's our agenda for today. And then for dinner, bahala na kung saan, but it has to be special because it's my special day.
Yes. Iniisip ko is shabu-shabu pero mas preferred ni Chab Eka na yakiniku.
Yeah, so hanap kami mamaya ng pwedeng kainan. So right now, we're gonna take the bus. Actually, it's only one bus ride going to Fukuoka Tower. Tapos 3-minute walk lang from here yung bus stop.
So tara, sabay-sabay tayong gumala.
Let's go! Tasted. Good. Currently at the bus station waiting for bus number 15 to get to Fukuoka Tower. So, pagbaba ng bus, merong parang mall called Poveria. So, daan kayo dun sa loob nun. Straight up until the end. Where you would see the sign that says Fukuoka Tower. Yan. Poveria pala, hindi pala Poveria. So, Poveria. It's like a mall. And then, Fukuoka Tower is right there. So we're just picking up our tickets here. Okay.
Thank you. Arigato.
Every ticket. Let's go. We got the tickets to Fukuoka Tower, and this was booked through Klook. And if you also want to book your tickets, you can get it through Klook and use our promo code
Chab Explorers Cook.
Tara, let's go inside.
Pasok tayo.
These are the things you can see from the tower. Okunashima Islands. Madayang islands, no? This is Moromi River. Yan, may mga park pa. Another island. Then this at dagat is Hakata Bay. Yan. So you can see the descriptions naman from this one. This is the north side of the tower. Oh, here it says all the sightseeing towers in Japan. So, Sapporo TV Tower, nakapunta na ako dyan. Si Tony pupunta pa lang. So, Tokyo Tower, nakita lang namin from afar, pero hindi pa kami nakapunta. Tokyo Sky Tree, hindi pa din. Yokohama, I've been here. Si Tony nakita lang from afar. Well, hindi ako umakyat. Umeda Sky. We've been there. Kyoto Tower.
Kyoto.
Ayan, Kobe. Wow. Ayan.
And now, in Fukuoka Tower.
We're now here in Fukuoka Tower. Uy, ang dami na nating napuntahan na tower sa Japan. Sana tower din sa ibang country mapuntahan natin.
Like the Eiffel Tower.
So within the tower, you'd also see signs like this where it says there's a photo spot. So let's go see that photo spot. And it's right here. Ayan, tapos meron pang mga oh yan, may mga signage that you can use. Sige, kunan muna natin si Tony B. So this is Fukuoka. This is the east side from the tower. Later, we're gonna go there sa dome or near the dome for the Team Lab Forest. Doon siya mahahanap. Wow, this is what it looks like at night with the sky illumination. Nice. This is the west side of the tower. Dito kami unang sumilip. I think these are residential houses. Yan. To get the message from the goddess of the moon.
Insert 100 yen coin.
Then, pasok daw yung kamay. Wow! Ano meron?
Message from the goddess of the moon. It's Japanese, so we have to translate. So also in Japanese only. We're not reading. What translate?
Wait, let's translate. Okay, so let's
Translate.
the card.
Can you read?
Hindi niya ma-read eh. So yung tita Ice namin, hindi makita yung translation. Masyado maliit. Later na lang pagdating sa hotel. Meron ding Love Locks here. Fukuoka Tower, Love Locks. Ayan. And may lalagyan ng smartphone. O, oh, diba? Tapos, and meron pa silang Omikuji pinball. 100 yen. You wanna play? Put 100 yen. Oh. A ball. Number 4. English.
Hirap, dikit-dikit.
Yay, what does it say?
Best luck.
Ayan, read it.
The best luck will follow you no matter what you try or do. I will turn out fine. Just enjoy each day and go with this great flow like Hakata people, the festival lovers. But don't get too carried away and forget to appreciate those who help and support you. So love. The time has come.
This is where you can get the locks if you wanna leave your locks there at the Love Locks. Yan. Tapos for the games, if you don't have coins, there's a money changer here. So you can get some coins. So the Love Locks is for 1,000 yen. So I have the stamp here if you want. Ganda if you have your own notebook na malagyan ng mga stamps.
So that's the end of our Fukuoka Tower tour. Ang saya niya. Kahit na ilang towers siya napuntahan namin. But this is different. Different?
It's always different. So sa loob ng tower may Family Mart and meron silang
Waiting area.
Yes, so nagpahinga lang kami saglit and now we're going to
Team Lab Forest.
Team Lab Forest, pero init.
Susugod kami sa init.
So handa naman kami sa aming mga payong.
Yes.
Let's go. Ito na. Yeah! Yeah!
Ayan, umano.
Ay! Kumulimlim bigla. Buti naman. Okay, tara. Balik kami dun sa sakayan ng bus. So they have this Fukuoka Tower photo op thing where you can take your selfie here, and sobrang ganda nung itsura niya. So when you put your phone there, already shows the tower. Ang saya, diba? Sobrang galing nila pinag-isipan. Nice. The tower is right there. So dito ulit kami kung saan kami bumaba ng bus kanina. And this time we took bus number 151 to get to Team Lab Forest. Let's go. Parang 15 minutes lang or actually less pa. Pero baka dahil mag-stop-stop siya. Kaya ilang 15 minutes. There's Tony. Okay, so dapat sa next stop pa kami bababa. Pero wait, naman yung Uniqlo.
Yes, kaya napababa kami ng di oras.
At saka GU.
Yes.
Dito sa, I think it's Marquis. Marquis
yes,
Mall.
Marquis Mall.
So, total mamaya pa naman talaga yung oras namin sa Team Lab. Uniqlo muna, mag-shopping muna tayo.
Shopping tayo today.
Yeah, let's look for GU pala. GU muna. Let's go. GU, let's go. And we found GU.
Our favorite store here in Japan. Ayan, mga bago.
Ayan. Gusto ko nitong bag na to, 1,990. Kamukha siya nitong bag ko. Only bigger. So, yan yung ate bag. 790 yan. For these shirts. Ito, 590 yan lang, oh. Crew neck cotton shirt. Ang sarap niya na. Grabe pamigay na. Kailangan ko na ng basket, I think. Sobrang mura.
590 lang.
Polo. Diba? Galit ka?
So, 200 pesos.
Ang mura.
Ang mura.
And if your purchase is over 5,500 yen, you get 10% off. Dami. So, since pinagsama na lang namin yung mga bibilin namin, we can get the tax-free. You need to present your passport. They have a tax-free cashier. Okay, hack lang dito sa Japan. We got this Biore na wipes na -3 cooling. Guys, hindi siya scam. Totoo siya.
Sobrang lamig.
Pag ginamit mo siya, maghahak mo pa lang ang lamig na niya. I think it's menthol, kaya siya ganun kalamig. And talaga may cooling effect. Nanginginig na nga ako sa lamig.
Refreshing.
Sobrang refreshing. So, sobrang okay na bumili nito. Biore siya. Biore Ice Cold Body Sheet. Yung tawag sa kanya. Marami pang iba. May nakita kami ng mga Gatsby din. So, sa Donkey, I'm sure meron nito. Pero dun sa mga drugstore namin siya nabili. Sobrang okay. Highly recommended if you're coming here ng summer. This Can-Do store is 100 yen shop. So, may mga kung ano-anong. Wow, this is for 100 yen. Ayan, ang dami niyang anik-anik. May mga food. May kung ano-ano siya. May lighter. Batteries. Anything and everything. Basta everything is under 100 yen. Ito pa, may electronics. So, para siyang mga Daiso or Japan Home. Cute. Ay. So, para talaga siyang Japan Home. May mga office stuff. Yung stationery supplies. Delikado to. Baka kung ano-anong mabili natin. Hindi naman natin kailangan. Yan. Waiting ulit kami for the bus to get to Team Lab Forest. So, ito totoo na talaga.
Pero sobrang init.
Grabe yung init.
Dumaan na yung bus na sasakyan namin. Kung ay nag-aantay kami na susunod, sobrang init.
7 minutes daw. So, dahil sa init, napagod kami kakaantay ng bus. Nag-taxi na lang kami. Pero flag down rate lang naman siya kasi
Super lapit lang.
3 minutes. Wala pa nga yata. Nandito na. Sa kabilang side lang. Pero hindi siya kasi kayang lakarin. Kasi, well, kaya kung winter ngayon.
Pero summer, sobrang init talaga. Totoo yung parang ka nasa likod ng bentang AC. Yung init niya, ganun siya.
So, we're here na in the building of Team Lab Forest. Parang siyang actually mall siya. Hindi ko lang alam yung pangalan. Hanapin ko mamaya. Na connected sa dome kung saan nandun yung mga baseball games. So, medyo madaming tao. I think may game ngayon. But before we go to Team Lab, kakain muna kami. We found a Conveyor Sushi
Restaurant. So, one of our favorite restaurant na na-try namin sa Osaka is Kuro Sushi. Conveyor belt sushi siya. So, since birthday ni Chabeka, so the lunch should be special. So, kakain kami dito.
Yep. So, nakapila lang kami. Ayan. Medyo mahaba yung pila ng konti. Pero, marami namang tapos na. Kasi it's already 1:41. And baka may game, kaya madaming tao ngayon. So, tara, kain tayo.
Tara!
Okay, so we're here na. Nakaupo na kami. And we will order from here. They have the usual condiments and hot water here. And then you have to order the sushi para idalhin dito. my favorite. Seared salmon. OMG, super sarap niya. And yung bill namin for 13 plates tsaka isang udon is 4,279 yen. Not bad actually. Okay na siya. So, super sarap niya. Super nag-enjoy talaga kami. Happy birthday lunch to me. May dinner pa. Let's go! The name of the building is Zof Kokabos. Galing kami sa 3rd floor sa food hall. That's where we ate. The 4th level, there's a baseball museum. 5th floor is the Team Lab Forest. 6th floor, there's V-World area. Parang virtual experiences. Parang masaya din yan, ah. 7th floor, there's Sanrio Characters Amusement Park. And this one, I'm not sure. It's a theater. And yeah. Amazing! Ang daming pwedeng gawin dito sa building na to. And this building is connected to the dome. So may baseball game then today. So our Team Lab tickets, we got it from Klook. So ayan, so ready na kami, papasok na lang, papakita na lang. So if you also want to get your tickets on Klook, you can use our promo code
Chab Explorers Klook.
So tara, let's go inside Team Lab Forest.
Tara na!
Okay, so they made us download an app, Catching and Collecting Forest. So let's go inside. So we got the app here. And wow! We're inside the forest. So here we're gonna catch animals. Ayan o.
O tapos?
Wait, I'm gonna catch this animal. You caught a giant antler. I caught one.
Yay!
There's a rhino. There's an animal. Go. Ayan. Ayan. You got it.
American
What's that?
Flamingo. Yay!
You got an American flamingo.
Yay! What's that?
Did I catch it? Yes.
Sambar
It's a sambar deer. Wow, ito na yung mga nahuli namin. Flamingo. We got the deer.
Giant
giant antler. Anteater. Sorry.
Yan, tatago siya. Tatago.
Wow, she caught the lion. Is this fun?
Yes. Release the app.
This is so fun kasi sobrang interactive. Okay, we're going to the next one. Trippy butterflies. It's just like the one in Singapore. Okay, let's go. Same color. Okay. Whoa. Dapat mabilis ka. Go fast. So you won't fall. Okay, we made it. Thank you. Oh. Whoa. You can do it. Yay! Good job.
Careful.
Medyo nakakapagod tong team lab na to.
Sobra. Yung pagtapa ko dun sa isang sa isang course or room, nagulat ako, sobrang lambot niya. So akala ko matutumba ako pero hindi naman. So test yung balance nyo dito kung gaano kayo kabalance.
Yeah, tapos sumama pa ng mga ilaw-ilaw.
Yes, so,
pero masaya siya as usual. Just like the other team labs we've been to. Tsaka ang galing kasi hindi sila pare-pareho. Hingal lang talaga to. Let's go, ikot pa. Wow! Okay, Elda and Josh, we miss you again. Changes color also.
That's the end of our Team Lab tour. So, sobrang interactive niya. Super saya. Team Lab Tokyo, Singapore, and then dito sa Fukuoka. Super saya na experience. Kahit na akala mo pare-pareho siya, pero hindi.
After namin mag-Team Lab, dahil pagod na pagod kami, bilang mga tita na na-trigger yung mga ano namin sa mga ilaw. We went back to the hotel para matulog. Tita nap. So now we're going out for dinner. Check namin yung Yakiniku Lake. Doon kami kakain. Because it's still my birthday. And I don't have a voice. Habang nandun kami sa station, tinitingnan lang naman namin saan kami sasakay. Merong girl na nag-approach sa amin. Tinatanong niya saan kami pupunta. Tinulungan niya kami. Grabe, sinamahan pa niya kami tumawid. Sabi namin wag na eh, pero gusto niya talagang sumama. Ang bait-bait talaga nila. Kaya naman namin figure out, to be honest. Pero grabe, na-appreciate talaga namin sila. So we're right now at Tenjin Station and pupunta kami sa Yakiniku Lake. It says here to exit North Gate and then walk 6 minutes.
Una na pala siya. Wala nang dadaan.
Last na to, stop na ng train. Ang laki din ng station. So the fare is 170 yen. Wow, may Shinjuku feels dito sa area na to. This is Tenjin. So we're just gonna walk straight for 6 minutes or probably more if we're slow. May Shinjuku feels siya. Mainit lang kasi sa Shinjuku kami malamig. Buti na lang, sobrang ganda din dito sa Japan. Kasi kahit mainit, masaya pa din. Kung winter lang ngayon, naku, kahit gano'ng kalayo pa yung lalakarin namin ni Chabdoni yan.
Go! Laban!
And we found Yakiniku Lake. So you can get your set menus from here. Iba-iba siya. So, nag-place na kami ng order dito. And then, yung mga sauces nila are here. Lemon, red chili, garlic, soy sauce. And they have miso. And then, the chopsticks can be found here sa drawer. And then, they have wet wipes. May toothpick din. And then, nandito yung baso. And you have your own.
Dito wala. Wala sa ako.
Here for water. So, I got the medium beef skirt steak, medium rice with soup, and kimchi. And we got cola. Yes, nakaka-happy. So, super sarap na meal. Kay Nicolay. Grabe. Nag-set meal kami. So, kaming dalawa, total namin 3,430.
Nakalimutan mo na sobrang sarap.
Sobrang sarap kasi. Pati nga pangalan ko, sino ako?
Ang sarap niya talaga. Last na yakiniku namin is Tokyo.
Yes.
So, Osaka din kami nakapag yakiniku like. So, dito ulit sa Fukuoka.
And for my birthday dinner pa. Kaya sobrang sarap. Ang saya talaga.
Are you happy with your birthday? Sobrang sarap ng mga kinain natin.
Super. So, ikutin lang namin Tenjin ng konti or maybe we're gonna look for dessert. I don't know. Samahan nyo kami. Let's go. For dessert, we're having 7-Eleven ice cream. Ako kun. Si Tony.
Chocomint.
Coconut. Ang sarap nung kanya. Bilang inggitera ako. So, my birthday vlog is done.
Yes, and wala na siyang boses.
Pero feeling ko sabay-sabay na pagod, init, dito sa Fukuoka. But still, we're having so much fun.
Yes, and especially the food. Lahat masarap.
So, sobrang fun nung day lang talaga. Nag-start siya with really good breakfast. And then, nagpunta kami sa Fukuoka Tower, which was good surprise din. Ang ganda-ganda ng Fukuoka Tower, no?
And kung alam niyo lang, kukolekta ako ng mga pictures sa mga towers around the world. Sobrang saya talaga nung araw na to, kahit sobrang init. Pero anticipated naman, kasi summer talaga. This is my first time in Japan na summer. Kasi yung last 2 trip namin in Japan winter. Pero masaya pa din siya as in.
Yeah, sinet naman din talaga namin yung mind namin na may initan kami. So nag-prepare kami, bumili kami ng -3 na wipes na sobrang okay gamitin. And yun pa, nakapag-shopping kami sa GU. Sobrang mura talaga ng mga items doon. And then, we also went to Team Lab Forest na ang saya-saya din niya. Even if it's our 3rd Team Lab, it's always a different experience, no?
And physically challenging siya. So, nakita nyo naman sa vlog. So, may time na gumapang pa talaga ako kasi nga para lang makatayo. Then, we had our dinner in Yakiniku Like. Sobrang sarap nyo talaga. Siguro kahit anong orderin mo dun sa menu nila, highly recommended talaga. So, kung sobrang lambot ng beef, worth it yung money mo.
Tapos, ang lapit lang, isang station lang from our hotel to yung Tenjin. Tenjin is like, Shinjuku feels siya parang shopping area. And gusto lang din namin kailangan namin ng closure sa Cebu Pacific incident namin with the canceled flight. We understand that it was canceled because of the weather and syempre hindi naman namin mako-contest yun, diba? But I think one thing that Cebu Pacific should work on is yung coordination nila within their staff because that adds to the frustration. Imagine that the passengers have booked hotels, booked their tours. Most of them bayad na, others are going back home. Yung iba walang bahay sa Pilipinas. So, wala silang pupuntahan if the airline will not pay for their hotel because of a canceled flight. And we understand naman that those are part of the rules. But yun lang, na frustrated na yung mga guests in the first place. And then, pag hindi coordinated yung staff, mas mahirap. Kasi we talked to like 5 to 7 people from Cebu Pacific starting from the airplane itself, yung FA. Tapos pagbaba, pagsalubong sa amin, mali pa yung pinuntahan. So, umikot ulit ng napakalayo. And then when we went down, basta hindi clear din kasi yung instruction. So, pagod na yung mga tao. They were all, kaya din mas tumataas yung tension. But, you know, if they are coordinated, at least mas clear sa aming mga pasahero kung ano yung mga dapat gawin, yung mga dapat naming tandaan and all that. But good thing is, they are refunding yung Manila to Fukuoka flight, and may nakausap na ako na live agent. It just has to be done through chat, but you can talk to a live agent in the chat, and then they're already processing our refund. So it includes the travel tax, it includes the baggage, and the seat na binili din namin lahat. Thank you for that, Cebu Pacific. Yun lang talaga. I think you can improve your customer service para lang din mas happy yung mga pasahero nyo.
And this is the first time that this happened to us. So, this is our 10th out of the country trip. Ayun lang, sana less hassle next time. Wala namang problema talaga. This is for the safety of the passengers. Kaya kinancel yung flight because of the weather. So, naiintindihan namin yon. So, kawawa lang talaga yung mga galing pang province. Like, may kasama kaming taga Bicol na wala na siyang mauuwian dito sa Manila kasi from Bicol nga siya.
We know din naman na yung mga staff nyo na humaharap sa amin is humaharap lang din sila. Wala silang magagawa. Pero yun lang, sana lang mas mabilis yung action and yung mga decisions. Probably have the decision makers at least make the call early on. For my birthday vlog, we really had so much fun. We hope that you also had fun watching it.
Yes, and don't forget to subscribe to our social media accounts, TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram.
Yeah. Okay, and also today we booked the Fukuoka Tower via Klook, and we also booked the Team Lab via Klook. So sobrang walang hassle siya. Ang bilis-bilis ng pagpasok namin. We just show the QR code and then that's it. So if you also want to book your tours via Klook, you can use our promo code
Job Explorers Klook. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Hanggang sa susunod na gala.
Paalam!
Dun, 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 dun.